There's a concept that we call AFL 3.0, and it's not necessarily the third generation of AFL, but to some degree it is. We've come to the recognition that there are three things that clients really need in order to succeed, not just in their divorce or family law matter, but in those years afterwards as well, to be able to take the divorce decree, implement it, and make the life for their children and themselves that they want. And these three elements that we see are: one, great lawyering. We want to be masters of our craft, be very savvy in the way that we go about things, be very successful, provide high customer service. We absolutely want to do great lawyering. But it also requires more than that. Another bit is the education. This is one of the reasons why we put out books that are written in layman terms for clients, not just to know the sort of legalities that we're asking them to appreciate, that we're advising them on so that they can make good, sound decisions, but also so many of the other things that are quasi-legal, such as, oh, if you've been married for 20 years and your spouse has always done the finances, now you need to turn around and be able to master your own finances in order to accomplish what you want to accomplish. If that means that you've never worked with a financial planner, we want to introduce you there. If you need somebody to do your taxes, we want to help you there. If there's some of the stuff that you are struggling with, like co-parenting, you'll look in the book and there's a whole section on co-parenting in there. And just some of the fundamental shifts that help turning around so that you've got the resources that you need and you're thinking about this to make the life that this divorce decree or custody decree is going to allow you to do. It's the foundation. We want you to be able to build on it. The last bit is coaching. We've got a client coach on staff for 2.5 years, and we found it's made a world of difference in so many regards. First off, it's like aspirin. It takes away so much of the pain from divorce. Like, it just makes it so it's much more tolerable, like Tylenol or aspirin or whatever pain reliever you usually use. Secondly, we use this as part of our ADR preparation so that when you're going to go to mediation, you've got a good mindset, you've got a good focus. The way in which the opposing party would push your buttons or annoy you is no longer triggering to you, that you're able to make better decisions because you're not turning around and allowing these emotional loose ends to turn around and hurt you. And then last, these skills and mindset management tools that you get in the course of working with our coach in your divorce, you take with you for the years ahead so that then you can continue to thrive. You pull all three of these together: great lawyering, education, and coaching, and our clients are well positioned to turn around and lead to success and have that peace of mind, the comfort, the confidence, and the excitement, and most of all, the happiness with their children and their families in the years ahead.